Okay, so we are dealing with 4.15 application of linear systems. And in this one, we've got a little bit of a tricky one because we're trying to deal with the elimination method, which we've dealt with prior. But you're going to realize that we're not going to be able to eliminate something right off the bat. So our job is actually going to have to multiply the first equation by a number that will result in either our x or y being eliminated, okay? And I'll show you what we mean by that. The reason we did our distributive law was that we're going to have to multiply whatever number we multiply to one variable all the way through the equation. So it says a company has hosted a winter holiday reception at a local banquet hall and served two different dinners. There were 200 people who attended the reception, with X representing the amount of people who were served roast beef and Y representing the amount of people who were served grilled chicken. And it gave us the equation X plus Y equals 200. Well, associated with this, the roast beef dinner cost $21 a plate, and the grilled chicken cost $15 a plate. So together, the cost of the dinner was $3,720, giving us the equation of 21x plus 15y equals 3720. So like we do with substitution, we write out our equation. Okay. And then we got to figure out what are we going to multiply and what value are we going to get rid of. So in this case, I would look at either the 21x or the 15y. For me, I would multiply 15 through the top equation and eliminate y, just because it's a smaller number than 21. And being a number that ends in 5, typically you're going to get numbers here that are a little bit more friendly. So our job is to multiply this whole equation by 15. So when we do that, it would be 15 times this whole equation here. So we're going to be given the answer 15x plus 15y equals apologize. Let me go back there. So it's 15x plus 15y, because we've multiplied 15 through the whole thing. And it would be 15 times 200, giving us the answer of 3,000. So to make things easier, we're going to take this top equation and subtract the bottom equation from it. So we would have 21x plus 15y equals 3720. And then we have 15x plus 15y equals 3,000. So if we look at this equation right now, we know that we've set it up so we can get rid of the y's. So we would subtract, because if we subtract 15 from 15, we get 0. So in this case, 21 subtract 15 would be 6x. And 3720 subtract 3,000 is 720. So just like we would do any other time, we're going to divide, I apologize, both sides by 6. It's going to give us the answer of 120. So now, just like we've done in every other situation here, we're going to sub x equals 120 into the original equation. And the original equation was x plus y equals 200. So x we now know is 120 plus y is equal to 200. And then we would know that y is then equal to 200 minus 120. So in this case, y is equal to 80. And now we can kind of make sense of what this all means. So x again was the roast beef dinner, and y was the chicken dinner. So therefore, 120 people ordered roast beef, 80 people ordered chicken. Sorry about my writing. Hopefully you can hear my voice. So simply we just set up our equation. We're going to multiply one of the equations so we can eliminate the term. And when we multiply, we have to distribute it throughout the whole equation so that we can eliminate one. And then we just sub whatever we find our x or y into the first equation, and we will be left with an accurate answer.